Hello friends, welcome to my channel Real Laws. Today we are going to solve the Haryana Judicial Service Examination 2010. ठीक है, as I promised that I will provide you the 10-year paper of Haryana Judiciary preliminary question papers because these are very important. If you are going for the judicial exam, you just go through once these questions. At least you know what type of question they will ask in the paper. Okay, I mark the red mark on the answers and I will give you the PDF of these questions in the description box. Okay, let's start with the first question. The meaning of audi alterum pattern is: rights are associated with duties. Everybody has a right to defend himself. C is: everybody should be given a reasonable opportunity to defend himself. None of the above. Answer is C. Everybody should given a reasonable opportunity to defend himself. The meaning of audi alterum pattern. Question 2. In law, a man is presumed to be dead if he is not heard of as alive for 4 years, 7 years, 10 years and 15 years. For 7 years. Answer B is right. Okay. Question 3. A sentence of death by a lower court must be confirmed by the High Court, must be confirmed by the Supreme Court, must be confirmed by the President, is optional if no appeal is made to High Court. Answer A is right. It must be confirmed by the High Court. Okay. Question 4. Conspiracy needs at least persons. How many persons it needs? 3, 2, 5, 1. It needs 2 persons. Option 2 is B is right. Question 5. The act of unlawfully entering into another's property is known as breach of property, trespass, easement, is cheat. Answer B is right. Trespass. Question 6. Sexual intercourse with the consent of a girl amounts to rape if she is under 15 years, 16 years, 7 years, 17 years and 18 years. Answer A is right. 15 years. Okay. Question 7. Which of the functionaries can be invited to give his opinion to the parliament? कौन से functionary को हम बुलाते हैं पार्लियामेंट में कि वो अपना ओपिनियन रख सके? चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया, कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया, अटॉर्नी जनरल ऑफ इंडिया. आंसर D is right. Attorney General of India, because he is the advocate of the central government. Question 8. First Indian President of International Court of Justice was Justice Nagendra Singh, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Justice M. Hidayatullah, Justice S.M. Sikri. Answer is Justice Nagendra Singh. Question 9. Which of the following is a human rights organization? ILO, Amnesty International, ICJ and Human Agency Organization. Answer B is right. Amnesty International is a human right organization. Okay. Which of the following countries is not the member of SAARC? Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal and Pakistan. Nepal is not the member of SAARC. C is right. Question 11. Fourth state refers to press, parliament, executive, none of the above. कितने आसान क्वेश्चंस हैं. प्रेस एक क्वेश्चन, मतलब जिस तरह से आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस वो लोग आपसे पूछते हैं. जैसे कि 12th क्वेश्चन है, ये उस टाइम के जो सेक्रेटरी जनरल होंगे यूएन के, उनके बारे में पूछा गया है. हु इज़ द प्रेजेंट सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? बान की मून, जॉर्ज बुश, रॉबर्ट बैल्कमैन, नन ऑफ द अबव. आंसर ए इज राइट. बान की मून उस टाइम वो जनरल सेक्रेटरी थे. ठीक है, तो ये करंट का क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन 13. वेस्ट बैंक इज अ डिस्प्यूट टेरिटरी बिटवीन सीरिया, पैलेस्टीन एंड इजराइल, जॉर्डन एंड इजराइल, नन ऑफ द अबव. आंसर बी इज राइट. पैलेस्टीन एंड इजराइल. ये भी करंट का क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन 14. विच इज द वर्ल्ड्स हाइएस्ट बैटल ग्राउंड? कारगिल, जोजिलिया, Siachen, none of the above. Answer C is right. Siachen. Question 15. Who was the first Indian to go in a space? Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, Rakesh Sharma, Sunita Williams. Answer C is right. Rakesh Sharma. बहुत सारे करंट के क्वेश्चंस पूछे इन्होंने, जीके के I mean. Question 16. The Rowlatt Act was passed in 1921, 1917, 1919, none. Answer C is right, 1919. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? आज राजगोपालाचार्य, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन, लॉर्ड कैनिंग. आंसर सी इज राइट, लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन. Question 18. The first woman to become a governor of a state in India. She is Sarojini Naidu. Was the first governor of the state in India. Question 19. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev was hanged for their role in Kakori case, Lahore conspiracy case, Meerut conspiracy case, all of the above. Answer is Kakori case. Question 20. The executive authority of the union is vested by the constitution in the Prime Minister, President, Cabinet, Union Legislature. Question ये है कि executive authority of the union according to the constitution किस में वेस्ट करती है? तो आंसर बी इज राइट, प्रेसिडेंट. Question 21. Right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court on any of the question of law belongs to President, Governor, Prime Minister, President and Governor. Answer is President. Option A is right. Which one of the following Chief Justice of India has acted as a President of India? कौन सा ऐसा Chief Justice है जो President भी बने हैं? M. Hidayatullah, P. N. Gajendra Gatkar, P. N. Bhagwati, all of the above. Answer A is right, M. Hidayatullah. An ordinance promulgated by president. जब भी कोई president एक ordinance पास करता है तो वो उसकी life कितनी होती है? Has an indefinite life, 1 year, must be laid before the parliament when it is reassembled, none of the above. Answer C is right. तब तक जब तक assembly reassemble होती है तब तक. Okay. Question 24. To contest the election of Rajya Sabha, a person shall be not less than, ये सबको पता है, 30 years. Option B is right. Question 25. The area of Lok Sabha constituency for the purpose of general election is determined by Delimitation Commission, Election Commission of India, Census Commission of India, President. Answer B is right. Election Commission of India.